So hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Welcome to another lecture series. So as it is written in this particular slides that we are starting today stereochemistry of organic compounds. So before that, I have to request that please avoid the external noise that comes because the noise can become there because my house is near the roadside, so there will be certain noises there. So we are just eliminating the noise and we are mainly focused on the particular content. Okay, thank you for the particular understanding. And so today we are talking about the stereochemistry of organic compound. It is the lecture 0, that is the introduction lecture of this particular stereochemistry. So first of all, that who will be benefited with the lecture? Okay. So the aspirants who are preparing for IITJAM, GATE, CSIR NET, CUET, PG, and other competitive exam, stereochemistry is the chapter that is the I believe that is the backbone of organic chemistry because everywhere in this chemistry, where it is the reaction mechanism or in the name reaction, pericyclic reaction, all the major topics that contain stereochemistry. So the knowledge of stereochemistry is very important for the particular case. Also, the BSc and MSc students who are in the college, they also benefited with these lectures. So basically here I was dividing the stereochemistry topic in the two different chapters. One is the general stereochemistry and conformers, and the second one is the asymmetric synthesis. General stereochemistry conformer can be followed by the all aspirants irrespective of their examination because this is a very common thing. And asymmetric synthesis, it is specially for the CSIR NET aspirants and the MSc students because they have to learn the advanced version of stereochemistry. Okay. So what should be the course content that I will be briefly discuss? Like in part of basic stereochemistry, we are dealing with the isomers, then symmetry and symmetry elements in the particular compound. Later we will talking about the enantiomers and diastereomers, and then we are talking about the concept of chirality, like what is the necessary condition required for a molecule to become a chiral. And chiral is the very important part, plays a very important part in the organic chemistry. And then we're talking about the representation of organic compound. There is certain representation is there, Fisher, Stauhorst, Newman, flying waves, zigzag type of things. And we are learn the interconversion. Then we are talking about the naming of chiral compound. There is a DL nomenclature, RS nomenclature, and all. After that, we're talking about the axial chirality system, topicity, optical activity, and resolution. And with this, we are complete our basic stereochemistry part here. Later in dynamic stereochemistry, we are talking about the conformational configurational analysis, chemistry of conformers, conformational analysis of acyclic molecules, conformational analysis of cyclic molecule, and chemistry of cyclohexane and decalane system. So till here, anyone, irrespective of any examination, they can follow there. And this particular part, asymmetry synthesis, it will be little advanced. If you like to follow, then you can follow, but it will be strictly for the CSIR NET aspirants because I have seen that some question from in CSIR that will come from asymmetric synthesis part. So here we discuss about the overview of asymmetric synthesis, stereochemical models. Stereochemical models comprise of Cram model, Cram-Chillet model, Felkin-Allen model, and Zimmermann-Traxler interaction models also. And also we are talking about generation of asymmetric synthesis that contains chiral pool, chiral auxiliaries, and all. And also we are talking about the asymmetric reaction and organocatalyst, that asymmetric aldol reaction, asymmetric ylide mediated reaction, epoxidation, dihydroxylation, etc. And we are mainly followed the books this stereochemistry by Nasipuri, basic stereochemistry by S. Gupta, and obviously the OG Claydon. Uh, but we are not limited to these particular books only. Like whenever I get good material, I can take from there and to make the concise materials. So with this, we are end the particular introductory part. And from the next video onwards, we are talking about the lecture 1, that is the basics of stereochemistry. There we are talking about the history of stereochemistry and some kind of the general overview of isomers. So thank you for there. We'll meet on the next lecture.